We just lost our, we just...
26 tomorrow. What was that traffic?
We're in 10-12.
So far, we're in a bathroom. I'll see what's going on in a minute.
619, 601, what you got going on over there, man?
I'm marking 120.
Go ahead.
972 Piedmont Road, 972 Piedmont Road. Client advised that their roof is falling in. Not sure if it's from a tornado, but there's damage.
Clear them off. 126 and we're out, Lamar.
120.
Go ahead.
Got a touchdown?
I'm sure right now I'm advising something with the roof falling in on the house if possible. Check it out on Piedmont.
Well, weather says the same thing, and I'm seeing a big black cell that direction.
640, do you have a, or 611, do y'all have a visual? Not this time.
Seeing stuff I've not seen before.
121 came through here. Yeah, 10-4. Yeah. 126 more. Watch that tree, watch that tree. Mar advised you complaining. We're trying to get to them, but it's getting where it's impassable.
26, what's your 1020, where you got evidence?
We're on 18. We're just before, right past outdoor. It's we got trees down on all sides of the road. Road's impassable. Lamar, see if you can get county units or DOT out here.
26, what direction is it traveling to the city limits?
It's 10-4, 112. It's coming toward the city.
South, 112.
26, you got to know we're up ahead of you. 10-4.
640, you advise visual.
10-4 on visual, 10-4 on visual.
Advise towards town?
Negative, I think it's already maybe past town, it's southwest of us.
That item y'all are talking about's already come through the farm and gone towards I-70 that way towards Forsyth. There's not a pine tree standing out at the ranch.
Already came through. It's got a wide path down here. Trees down on 18, it's impassable. We can't get through it.
20, 10, 20, 120.
18, Canifax, for Piedmont.
Town, Lamar, you clear?
Okay, I'm looking on 10-4 right now. You heard a lot of noise.
EMA 903 to Lamar County. 903. Okay, be advised, I got heavy trees down, power lines down on Forsyth Lane, Forest Lane. I'm out checking residence now. My residence was also hit as well.
10-4, I've had a call from 438 Grove Street. 438 Grove Street advised that their home's been hit.
All units, I'm out of the bathroom on my Edie Creek residence right now. I'm not seeing the funnel anymore. I believe it may have passed us already.
126, you go head up towards Grove. Yeah, 10-4, I can go to Grove Street. Lamar, what is the numerics on Grove?
126, it's going to be 438. I have a whole list if you 10-12.
10-4. Lamar, if you would, just take them by priority enters.
He's en route to Grove, 112.
Time 4, is that the next direction of travel, or the 1013 right now?
No, I believe 1013's already passed. It's already done what it's going to do. Head towards Spalding, northeast area.
Time 4,
112. Actually, I do believe it's headed out towards 36.
Time 4. 102 Lamar, I'm 10-8.
05219, advise me if y'all need me to come out.
Hello. 205.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. 41 is going, north is going to be shut down. There's trees leading the road.
Go ahead.
John 76 Grove with you. I don't have the numbers though.
10-4, I got trees down on Grove. There's a lot of damage.
Yeah.